Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent hours trying to figure out how to get consistent traffic to your website or offers. Maybe you've tried creating content every day, running expensive ads, or building complicated funnels with all kinds of tools. But no matter what you do, the results just don't match the effort. It's exhausting, right? I totally get it. Traffic in today's online world feels like trying to win the lottery. Algorithms change all the time, social platforms are overcrowded, and ad costs have gone through the roof. Not to mention, we're constantly told that we need to be doing more content, more funnels, more tech. But the reality is, most of us don't have the time or the resources to do all that and stay sane. That's exactly why I was so intrigued when I found this new tool called VidMagnet. It's an AI-powered platform that's built around a super smart idea. Instead of trying to create your own content from scratch and begging for attention, it lets you legally tap into other people's viral YouTube videos and use them to drive traffic, get leads, and even make commissions. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is that even allowed? And the answer is yes, totally. YouTube actually encourages content to be reused in creative ways. Think about how many compilation channels or commentary videos exist. VidMagnet takes that concept and applies it to funnels. It doesn't steal or copy, it legally uses what's already out there, and it turns that into a working funnel that's designed to convert. So here's how it works. You log in, choose your niche or keyword, and the software shows you the most viral videos in that space. These are videos that are already getting thousands or even millions of views. You can also filter by things like engagement and region. Once you've picked a winning video, you literally just click a button and VidMagnet builds an entire traffic funnel around it. Everything from the landing page to the layout and copy is done for you. The best part? These funnels are fully hosted and mobile optimized. You don't need your own website. You don't need to mess around with domain names or complicated builders. It's all handled for you, which means you can be up and running with a new campaign in just a few minutes. And since you're using a video that's already proven to go viral, you're not starting from zero. You're piggybacking on content that's already pulling in traffic. But it doesn't stop there. The AI behind VidMagnet also helps drive targeted traffic to your funnel. That's right, it doesn't just build the funnel, it also helps send eyeballs to it. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, a coach, or just someone trying to build a list, this is one of the easiest ways I've seen to get real traction without spending a fortune or burning out. Another cool thing is that when you join, you get a commercial license included. That means you can use VidMagnet to build funnels for clients and actually charge for it. I don't know about you, but I have a few friends and business owners who would love to have leads coming in without lifting a finger. With VidMagnet, you can be the one who makes that happen for them. And yes, it comes with built-in analytics so you can see exactly how your funnels are performing. You get real-time data on views, clicks, and leads, which is super helpful if you're testing different strategies or niches. If all that wasn't enough, they're also offering to host your funnels for free. That's something that usually costs a monthly fee with other platforms. So once you're in, you don't need to worry about paying for hosting or any extra tools. Honestly, I think the thing that makes this stand out is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need tech skills, you don't need experience, and you definitely don't need to be on camera or make your own videos. Everything is click and go. If you can search YouTube and click a few buttons, you can use this platform. And if you're still unsure, they've got a guarantee in place that's actually pretty generous. You can try it out, start building funnels, collect leads, and if you're not happy, you can get your money back and still keep the leads. That's pretty unheard of in this space. So if you've been stuck trying to get traffic or build a list, and you're just tired of doing it the hard way, this might be the easiest shortcut you'll come across all year. I've been testing it out myself, and so far, I'm impressed. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.